when our washing machine starts squeaking, in the back of our minds, we're thinking, maybe there's a failure coming. It's really interesting, isn't it? When you go into a store and buy a product, you assume that all of the instances of that product are identical, but actually, when devices are made, they're all made, fundamentally the components they're made from are made from some kind of raw material, and everyone's slightly different. So by the time you put these different components together into a bigger appliance like a washing machine, you find that every washing machine is slightly different, even though they're all coming off the same production line. So when things wear out, they wear out differently. One washing machine is going to fail perhaps after a number of years in a different way to the next washing machine. As that wear happens over time, predictive maintenance can actually can detect slight changes and anticipate failures. But the amazing thing about predictive maintenance is if we take the information that's gathered from hundreds, thousands, or maybe even millions of washing machines, and we process all that information in the cloud, we can use machine intelligence, the latest algorithms in the cloud, to work out which of these telltale signs actually indicate an upcoming failure and what that failure is likely to be. Someone comes to fix your washing machine before it's actually failed. Not only is this more convenient for consumers, this creates new opportunities for businesses as well. If you take a step back, there are completely new business models that are enabled by the collection and processing, the secure collection and processing of information from connected devices. So at Microsoft, we call this concept digital transformation. We're really thinking about new ways of creating opportunities for our customers, for example, for appliance manufacturers, but also creating new experiences, whole new experiences for consumers.